Alright, this is titled Solving Trig Equations. In this case, they asked me to solve for theta, where cosine of theta is negative 1/2, and theta is between 0 degrees and 360. So this would be the indication that they want me to solve for theta in degrees. If they wanted it in radians, they would have said between 0 and 2 pi. So it says cosine of theta is negative 1/2. So I like to consider, I'm not going to draw the entire unit circle, but I'm going to draw a little reference circle. To start with, remember cosine is associated with x, and so they asked me where is cosine negative 1/2. So first of all, I like to consider where is cosine negative. Cosine's negative where x is negative, which is in the left hemisphere of your circle, because that's where the x-axis is negative. Then they asked me where is cosine negative 1/2. Remember, that would be where it goes over not very much, so just negative 1/2. So that would be here and here would be the negative 1/2. See, this angle and this angle here. Remember, this one would be negative 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. This would be negative 1/2 negative square root of 3 over 2 if you consider your unit circle. But what would this be as an angle? As an angle, remember this is 90 degrees. This should just be 30 degrees more. So this would be 120 degrees. And this one here, remember on the bottom is 270. It would be 30 degrees to the left. So this would be 240 degrees. So I would say theta is equal to 120 degrees and 240 degrees. So let's say we do another one where they ask us, suppose they say, where is sine of theta equal to positive square root of 3 over 2? And the same thing as before, as in 0 degrees is less than or equal to theta is less than 360 degrees. So to solve the problem, once again, I just draw, don't do the entire unit circle, but I just do a little circle to help me kind of refer to it. Sine is y. Remember that is associated with the y-axis, and they're asking me where is sine positive square root of 3 over 2. So to start with, I know that that's the upper hemisphere of the circle, because that's where the y-axis is positive, is only in the top half of the circle. Square root of 3 over 2 is the big one, and so that is going to be like where it goes up more and you know, not less. So it would be like up here, like almost in those 60-degree intervals. So to start with, I guess this would be 60 degrees. Remember, the coordinate right here is you go over 1/2 and up square root of 3 over 2. And if you recall, up here this is 60 degrees, and of course in the middle is 90, but then 30 degrees to the left of that would be 90 plus 30, which is 120 degrees. The coordinate right there, of course, is just negative 1/2, but up square root of 3 over 2, if you recall from your unit circle. So to answer this, we would say theta is equal to 60 degrees and 120 degrees.